In today's video, I'm going to show us another streaming application, and it's not only for streaming, you can use it to record as well. This is my favorite application that I'm using. I use it more than OBS. I use OBS for tutorial, and why am I introducing it now? Is because I want us to be familiarized ourselves with OBS, because majority of everything that we are going to be needing, we are going to use the same thing with OBS. So it's going to make it super easy, especially for people that love to teach. If you love to teach and want to be writing, then this is the stream application that you want to be using on your phone, on your computer. I'm telling you guys. So it is easy to use, easy. They have a friendly screen that you can navigate with once you are familiar with yourself with OBS. So I'm not sure you are going to have any issue with it. So without wasting much of the time, let's get started. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. The first thing is, you come to your browser. Now what you are going to do, you are going to type with Prism Live Studio, as you can see here. So it will bring you to this place. Just click on the first one. Okay, once you click on the first one, this is the place that is going to take you to. Easy. It is super easy to navigate. All you need, you are going to download it. You can either click download here or you click download here. Is the same thing. So if you are using Windows, you can click here. Then if you are using Mac, you click here. And I'm not going to take us the process of downloading, because it's the same way that you are downloading normal application from your browser that you are going to restore. Just install it. Once you install it, you can come and read all this one if necessary. Okay, then once you install it, let me take you to how it's going to look. So once you install it and you come into all your application on your computer, this is what you need to see here. Is this Prism Live Studio down here. So that is how it's going to look like. So once you click on it there, this is the interface that is going to welcome you with. You can see this interface is the same thing if you are familiar yourself with OBS. Okay, so all the video that I do on OBS is the same. I don't need to be doing OBS, doing Prism Live separately. Whatever I said do on OBS, you should come here as well and do the same thing. It's the same result that you are going to get. So you can use it to set up your live streaming. You can use it to record. Anything that OBS that is doing is the same thing that this application can do. But the major thing that this application can do is this place here. You see all these settings. OBS does not have it. They have it. And I'm going to take us through it step by step, because this is an introduction to this. Okay. Then the first thing is here. Just click this place here. Once you click, let me bring myself down to the middle here so that I can be able to see us. So once you click on it, you see that you have edit scene and you have live stream. So first thing I'm going to first of all do now is I'm going to bring in my camera. The same thing with OBS. Just click on this. You already have first scene here. The first thing is just click on this source to go and bring in your camera. In OBS, the video capture device is down. Here, the video capture device is up. Just tap on it and click on OK. So once you click on OK, name it the name of your camera. Okay. Then you click on OK. Then you come to this device here and go and bring in your camera. You can see immediately I pop up. And you can see that I am on the edit. I'm not live now. If I want, maybe I've already live and I want people to see me, I just click here. It will bring me here immediately. And edit this place, it means that maybe you are teaching and you want to do some correction before you take it to the people that you are talking with. Anything you are doing on this screen here, the people watching you live here will not see it. So for example, let me say I want to bring in my browser. So I'll click on plus here. You can see, just type scene 2, maybe screen. You want to bring in a particular screen, just type on screen here. Then when you type on it, just come to this screen here. Okay, just click on plus here. Okay, we are on this edit. Okay, just click on the screen. Then you click on, you want to bring in maybe a particular video as a screen. Just click on it and click on OK. Then you just write it, maybe your avast where you are, you can download something. Just click on OK. Then you come here and choose a particular, maybe a particular application you want to bring, which is my Avast. Okay, you can see. Then you click on OK. So this is my Avast. What you do, the same thing in OBS, just right click or you use your two hand to make it to fit your screen. Transform, fit to screen. So you can see it is fit to screen. Anyone that is doing live here, if I'm doing live, it's only me they will still be seeing. They will not see me the way I am bringing it. And you want to tell, maybe you are telling your viewers, okay, oh, wait, oh, let me go and bring in my screen. Let me share my screen. Then once this one is here, for you to bring it live, just press the same here, apply now. It will come here, and you can still bring in your both if your this thing here. Easy. Then you will now be talking, people will be seeing this one. So the same thing that you are doing in OBS is the same thing that you will do here. So that is the first. So you come to scene 1. You see, when I click on scene 1, people will be seeing this and they will not be seeing me again. Unless I want them to see me, I click on this one. If I want them to see the screen again, it will be here. Then I apply it again. So that is the work of this place, which is called studio mode. That is number one thing. Number two thing is you can bring your chat is easy in this place. You see, you can start chatting. Yeah, the chat that you are just seeing on YouTube, this is where you see it is there already personally. And you can still introduce the chat, the same chat that I taught us again. Yeah, that one will be for another day. I just want to introduce us to this place here. That is another thing that you can still do. Let me bring it back to one scene. You can see me here again. Another thing that this one will be telling you what is happening to your channel, what is happening to your studios. That is information. You'll be getting information from this place. Okay, and if you want to use your camera that you have here as a visual camera, whether in a Zoom or in Video Ninja or anything, all you need is just to click on this one. This one I will teach us in another video as well. Visual camera for OBS and for Prism Live. Okay, I will teach you how to use it, not in this video, but I will tell you, let you know the work they are doing. But this one is another thing that you cannot do without. This is Prism Lens. On computer, what you are going to do is once you click on this one here, it will tell you to go and download it, or you go to your browser. Let me show us. So you go to your browser here. As you can see, just come to the search bar again and say Prism Lens. Just download Prism Lens. Okay, when you click on it, it will be here as well. You are downloading Prism Lens. It's different. You can see it's different thing. It's not the same, so you have to download it as well. Or you can as well download it directly from this place by clicking here. It will take you to where you are going to download it, because I've already downloaded it. So if I click on it, it's just going to open it directly for me. So let's try it. I'll click on it. So this is its own screen. Prism, you can see it here. Prism Lens. There is a lot you can do on this Prism Lens. Okay, there is a lot. Maybe I'm coming again to come and show us what we can do on this Prism Lens. But this Prism Lens is one of the applications that I'm normally used to share, to take my mobile phone into my OBS or into my recording. Okay, but we are going to talk about Prism Lens separately again in another video. So I'm not going into it fully today, just to introduce us to it. That's what we are doing today. So let's go back to our studio. So we are back here. So we have talked about this. Then this next one that we are going to talk about, just click on it. You see, they have their own scene template, especially for people that are doing gaming or anything. You can click on, choose any one of these scenes here. They have 8 scenes, each one. Okay, if you click on it, it is going to install the template. It will install it directly on your computer. Okay, so I'm not going to click on it, but for the benefit of people that are using scene, that you don't want to create your scene from the beginning, you can use it. But me, I will advise us, create your scene by yourself, because that's what I used to do. That is for this scene. Then this one is the game changer. I can write. You can see what I'm writing on my screen. I can write. If I want to clean it, I will just come here and just click on it like this. It will clean everything that I've written. Then if I still want to write, you pick this pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see you can write. That is the beauty of this one. Okay, you can clean it. If you clean it again, that's another thing that you can still do on it. Let me show us another thing that we can do on it. Let me clean all this. So another thing you can do is you can draw. This one will be thicker, is thicker than this one. That's another one thing that you can still use here. Okay, you can also use a sketch as well. You can see a sketch. This is like a glue, it's glowing. Okay, that's another thing you can still do on this thing. Then if another thing that you can still do is you can draw an arrow to point to a particular thing, and you can change this arrow to different things. It can just be ordinary line, it can just be square, you can see it, it can just be circle, and it can just be a triangle. You can see there is so much nugget in this streaming application, so you need to go through it, which is going to help you to continue growing. And if you want to delete it at once, just click on delete. It will delete all immediately. If you don't want to see these two bars, just click on this close here. They will not be active. So that's another thing that this thing can do. Another thing that you can do is you can click on it here and begin to bring in love, all these things one by one. Click on pop, anything. Click on greet, hi, welcome, share, subscribe, comment, like, welcome back, hey guys, hello, da 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 da, do. You have a lot. Congratulations. Maybe you want to greet somebody. If I show everything that I'm clicking now, you will see everything on this thing. Everything. Let me just close it and then show you. You will see everything that I've clicked. You see them on the screen. Everything that I click. And then what you can do is you can start seeing everything. The one that you are clicking, you will see them here. You see them here. Then you can start deleting them if you don't want them. Just right click here on it and click delete to be removing them one by one. That is how to delete them. Okay. So that is how to delete them. So you can see the function of all these things here is that's why I said is my favorite. I've not tried another one aside this one, because ever since I've been, and it doesn't crash like OBS. That is another advantage of it. This does not crash like OBS. So like if you are recording and you want to put in subscribe now and you want it to be permanent on there immediately while you are recording, then this is an opportunity to just put it immediately on it. Okay, you just put subscribe now, or you can put anything there. You want to put your name, you can put your name on it. Anything that you want to put. This is just an opportunity for this in this place to do it. You can see this love. Like, because I love you guys, that's why I'm doing all this tutorial for us, so you can see love. And if you want to go and bring in subscribe now, you have to take your time to look for subscribe. You can see subscribe. So you close it after you have opened it, so that you can see I can just leave subscribe here. Okay, because I want you guys to subscribe. I want to grow this channel. Subscribe and watch all my videos, so you can see how this one will be as you are recording. I said you can record with it. So that is that. Then this place is another place again that you can bring in another thing. This is 2025. You bring in another graphics. You can take it from here as well. So 2025. So you can see this is 2025. We are in 2025. How beautiful is this streaming application? I just love it. Everything is inbuilt in it. Everything you can look for is inbuilt in it. Then you can do music as well. You can bring in your music as well. Like me, I don't normally bring in music. Just click on add source. It will take you to any music that you have on your computer. Then you can bring it in as well. So we are going to talk about this last one here. This one is remote control. So as you can see, if we click on it, this is what is going to bring you to. You can see connect remote for it's still on beta. But what you are going to do with this is, as you can see that I have my phone screen already that I'm sharing, and you can see this. I'm looking for, okay, yeah, this Prism Live logo. What you are going to do is you're going to tap on it. Make sure that you are on the same network. That is, your Wi-Fi must be the same. Okay, just close this one and you're going to scan this screen. Okay, you see the way I am scanning it. So once you scan it, immediately you see that it brought up everything that I have set up on that live streaming here. All these things that I have here, that is everything that it brought out for me. So I can control it on my phone. As you can see, I can decide to off any scene that I want. Okay, I can, if I tap on this scene one, because we have a lot of things on this scene one, so I want to use these three things as an example. I can control it instead of me deleting it here, offing it here. I can decide to tap on this screen, this place, this yellow place here. I will tap on it. Once I tap on it, it is telling me that it has 6 source, and 6 source is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the six things that he has there. I can tap on it, so you bring me everything that they have there, as you can see it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, you can use it to control your life. Maybe you want to go live. As you can see, this go live button down here. Let me remove myself and put myself at the middle here, so that I can be able to see what I am doing here. We can use it to go live. Once you just tap this place, is to go live. If you tap this thing, maybe you want to record, which will work with this one. We are not using it for record now, okay, but just for an explanation to you to understand how this place is working. And this source now, let me use this one as an example. These three things here, I can use it to off. Like for example, if I off this sticker 2, which is the same thing as this one, you will see it, one of these will leave the place. So you see, I off one, I off another one, I off another one. You see, I off the subscribe also. I can off my camera as well, which this one is controlling the camera. Do you see? And I can bring my camera on. So this application is super cool. I just love this application because there's a lot of things that you can do there. You see that as I'm pressing it one by one, it's on. I'm going to press this one out to bring the another sticker. If I press this one, it's going to bring another sticker as well. If I press this one, another sticker is under this 2025. There are 2 there. That is there. You can see. So that is, there are 2 there. That's why it's there. And I can use it to on my other camera, which is under it. You can see it. If I off this off one that is here, you will see another camera underneath. Let me off this one, so you can see that I have another camera under. You see that there are 2 cameras. Let me hold it back. So you can see that there are 2 cameras. I have one here and I have one here that is on the same space. So you can see how cool is this thing. I'm just super, I just love it. So I don't know if you too, you are loving it. So I don't know if you too, you are loving this thing. So you can see how this application, amazing application is. So today I'm just doing general introduction. I want to put this 2025 together. Okay, I can decide to off one. Okay, yeah. So you see, I want to off it from my phone. I don't need to stress myself. I control it, everything from my phone. And then I discovered it and I love it. So I don't know if you would like it, to let me know in the comment section. And if you are enjoying this video, simply hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification button. In case I drop any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so that will bring us to the end of today's tutorial on general overview of on PRISM Live. So if you want to live stream, this is vertical scene. If you have not watched the way I added this vertical scene, it's the same way with OBS. Follow the process of OBS. But one thing you should know, that you cannot use this PRISM Live without having OBS on your computer, because it will not work, because it is using the plugin of OBS. That's why you need to download OBS. Even if you are not going to use it, you don't need to use it, but just have it on your phone, just for you to be able to use all the plugins that are associated with OBS. Okay, to go the settings, just come here. So you will see all these settings. Go to OBS, the video I do on settings, on live streaming, set it up, follow everything to do all these settings, because it's the same thing. Okay, so it's easy to follow step by step. You will get it. It's not hard. Just follow it up and then you are good to go. And we have come to the end of today's tutorial. As you can see, PRISM Live is super easy to follow. Just follow it step by step. You are good to go. My name remains Gani, and this is Grow with Gani. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.